So, Dominique and I are starting our vlogs. And you're gonna enjoy it with us, okay?
We're ready to go.
Either you like it or you don't.
We're ready to go.
We're gonna get some meatballs first. The thing that people don't realize about Ikea is that when you come here, you can eat for a low, low fee. They have breakfast for $1.99. One night, Dominique and I came here and we just sat here for how many hours?
Like 5 hours.
Till like 9. I didn't even know Ikea stayed open that late. And we drank coffee. Like we were doing something.
Free coffee.
Free coffee. Because we're family members.
We're part of the Ikea family.
That's how frequent we come here. Can you get me a glass of wine?
This isn't a couch. This is a bench. This is a bench.
With covers on it?
This is literally a bench.
Oh, lean back.
No, it hurts. This is a bench.
1,300. What is your price range? This is $3.99. Y'all can't get cozy on this? Oh look, design your own sofa. And see how much it'll cost. Alright, we're already starting in the 1600s. We're not doing a good job.
Start from scratch. Thanks. I don't need a storage seat section. I need a couple back seats. Do I just drag it?
Sleeper.
No.
Put that back.
Put that back.
Alright, okay.
One
Wait.
seat section.
It's $195.
2 seat sections. Back seat. That don't even include the back seat.
Bro.
You can't put it on the back?
Yeah, you just had it. There, it's right there. No, go back. You're at $480, bro.
Let's put a small back seat there.
Look at the dip
Whoa. Oh.
in the Wait, you don't got an armrest.
I do. These are 2 armrests. That don't even look right.
Try to go to sleep on it.
I feel like I'm at work.
You in the lounge?
Yeah. Not even close.
So Dominique and I,
The last time we were here.
we bought coffee presses, and we were so hyped. We brought
small coffee presses.
We brought the coffee presses back to work the next day. Pulled up
And
with
pressed
coffee.
some coffee at our desk. Just press them all kinds of coffee.
Bro, everybody was like, "What is that?" We have fresh coffee. We did it. What? We did it twice.
No, we did it like a total of like 5 times. We
I don't
went
remember.
back and forth and kept pressing the coffee.
No, I mean, how many times did we bring that to work?
We only did it once.
We only did it once. I have not used the coffee press since. Not at all. Dominique and I are still in Ikea, and some woman is wearing panties.
Unacceptable.
Panties in a shirt.
Unacceptable. Not in the fine establishment of Ikea.
Both our mamas would have beat our ass before we even touched the car seat. Tom and I got off work at 5 o'clock. It is now 8:30 and we're just now leaving Ikea. Another successful day of being an adult. We just left Ikea. We've been in Ikea for, let's say, 2 hours and 30 minutes. Is that my car? We were there for so long. It's dark now. Was it successful? My feet hurt. Alright. We'll see you at a... How do I get there? We'll see you at game night.